Okay, this is how I solve my Rubik's Cube. Okay, so first thing I do is make a cross on the white side. Done. So I made a cross, and that is connected to these centers. And next thing I do is put the edges into a place where they should go. And that, and the last one, that. So the edges are in place. Don't worry about the corners yet. And next, now we put the corners. So yeah, put that one there, next one there, done, and last one, done. And next thing is orientating the last layer. So we want every yellow side to be up. In this case, I need to use this algorithm. So everything is yellow, and this is R perm. So you switch this to, and you switch that. Done.